Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can delete your own server on Discord. So, of course, the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you've already logged into your Discord account. And now that you're here, you will just basically have to look for the server or for your own server that you would want to delete. So, just go ahead and click your server icon. And now that you're here, you will see this drop down icon right here, and then what you will have to do is basically just click that, and then here you should see this right here which says server settings. Just go ahead and click that as well, and you will scroll down a little until you see delete server. So what you will have to do is click it, and then here you will just have to fill in your server name, and then you will proceed to deleting it. And that's basically just it. It's really just as straightforward and easy as I've demonstrated, and that's it. And by the way, this deletion will be permanent, so make sure that you've already saved everything from your uh Discord server so that you wouldn't be actually regretting deleting your server. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I really hope this was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.